Would a 4-game sweep be ideal? Yes, but it didn't plan out like that for the Panthers. But they're not stressed out. In fact, while they took the ice, they shared smiles and a little bit of camaraderie. But there were 3 great takeaways from the day at practice. You had Reinhart, Greer, and McCullough, all 4 participants. Going into Game 4, there was no team in the NHL hotter than the Florida Panthers. I mean, they won 7 of their last 8 games. But on Monday, head coach Paul Maurice says they were simply outplayed.
They were better at their game than we were at our game last night. We've managed to not have that happen very often. When we lose, we learn some pretty important things about the way we play or the adherence to we play.
A key flaw in the Panthers' game plan was a lack of urgency against a team who was desperate not to be swept. And while some may call it a lack of killer instinct, the defending champs say it was just an off night.
I don't think we made them uncomfortable enough. We'll look to bounce back tomorrow and try to take it to them.
We tried to look for more plays instead of shooting the puck right away, and then they got sticks on and they blocked a lot of shots, so I think we just have to execute faster.
The Panthers knew that the Hurricanes would come in and fight with their backs against the wall. And without 3 of their key players in Sam Reinhart, A.J. Greer, and Nico McCullough, things seemed to be a bit off. However, on Tuesday, the 3 were back at practice.
So they all skated today. We'll see how they are tomorrow, but that's what we expected. It's what we hoped for.
At the Iceplex, I'm Kendall Hyde.